Welcome again. Yes, this mathematics students of class 10. The topic of this video is tangent is perpendicular to the radius of the circle at the point of contact.
The theorem is the tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. यहाँ दिया क्या है? We are given a circle with center O and a tangent xy. So what is xy? xy is tangent. xy is tangent to the circle. It is given. So what is given? xy is tangent to the circle with what is center of circle O as its center, and P is the point of contact. P is point of contact. देख लो, if we take any point Q on xy other than P and join OP, अभी Q जो है, where should Q lie? Q must lie, it must lie outside the circle. Outside the circle. ये सर्कल के बाहर आना चाहिए. Why? देख लो, अगर Q सर्कल के ऊपर होगा, that's not possible because a tangent and a circle has only one common point. ठीक है? Q must not lie inside the circle, क्योंकि अगर Q अंदर रहा then xy tangent नहीं बल्कि क्या रहा? Secant. For Q cannot lie on this circle or inside it. ना सर्कल पे रह सकता है, न सर्कल के अंदर. सर्कल के अंदर आया तो xy सीकेंट बना, सर्कल के ऊपर रहा देन xy इज नॉट ए टेंजेंट, क्योंकि टेंजेंट और सर्कल के बीच में खाली वन पॉइंट इन कॉमन होता है. ठीक है? अब जब ये बाहर है, दिस गिव्स OP जो है इट इज लेस देन OQ. OP is less than OQ, and this happens for every point on xy except खाली एक ही पॉइंट except point P. That means this gives OP जो है, OP is shortest of all distances. Shortest of all distances of the point O to the points of xy. अब जब ये शॉर्टेस्ट है, so the shortest distance of a point from a tangent, ये हमने नाइन्थ में from a line, नाइन्थ में हमने पढ़ा है, shortest distance of a point from a line is always perpendicular to it. This gives OP जो है it is perpendicular to xy. तो हमने यहां क्या हमें प्रूव कर रहा था, OP is perpendicular to xy, और हमने प्रूव क्या किया कि जो P है, P is closest to O of all the points on xy. That means OP is less than OQ or for other points on xy. जब हमने वो प्रूव किया, we automatically concluded that OP is perpendicular to xy.
Thank you for watching this video. With regards, Bashir Ahmed Kojri. If you like the video, then subscribe the YouTube channel Bashir Kojri for more such videos.